Good Wednesday morning. It's turning out to be another unsettled day. We have some very light rain in the area, but so far it's been nothing really more than sprinkles, and I think that's what we'll end up having for the most part over the next few hours. A little after 8:30 this morning. Right now it's 51 degrees, and we're on our way to the 60s. It's going to be a windy way to get there, though. The south winds on the gusty side will be reaching 30 to 35 miles per hour from the late morning into the early afternoon, and then a cold front's going to come through. Now, that first front, there are two that are going to impact us today. The first one really won't knock temperatures down very much. It's going to keep the winds gusty, though, and behind that we may even see a few breaks of sunshine. But then later on, a second front is going to bring in basically November, because it gets a whole lot colder tonight, and the next couple of days look very chilly. We're talking sunshine still, but not having much help, not much impact on those temperatures the next few days. We're looking at 40s for the most part for high temperatures heading into the weekend. But right now, already in the 50s, we would be grateful to have something this warm, I think, by the time we get to tomorrow or Friday, because I don't think we're going to get even this warm at this stage of the game for the next 2 days. But 51 right now. Here's a day planner. 54, a couple of sprinkles around 10 o'clock. The afternoon features, I think, a few breaks of sunshine, maybe a little bit behind this front, but the winds go from the southwest to west, 15 to 25, gusting as high as 35 miles per hour. So yet another windy day, and again, that has been the theme of the week. A lot of wind and progressively cooler weather. Today's probably the last of the 60s we will experience for, I would say, conservatively a week, probably way more than that, and I hesitate to say we're done with the season for 60s, but certainly not anything showing up in the next 7 to 10 days that warm. 51 right now, winds 23 miles per hour, and air pressure is falling rapidly, 29.67 inches of mercury. Mostly low 50s across the map. Rochester 51, it's 52 in Mason City, and 54 in Winona. There's that rain we've been watching all day on the radar. Most of this very sparse, though. Sprinkles at most, a lot of it not even reaching the ground. But all that will move eastward. We see a couple of breaks develop in the clouds to the west along that cold front that's coming out of South Dakota with that center of low pressure. What will happen here is we'll have spotty showers this morning. Afternoon looks a little drier with peaks of sunshine. Here's future track looking at gusty winds out of the west. Tonight, another spoke of energy rotates through the second front. Showers by then all mainly north of us, but we'll have clearing skies, but a lot of wind. It's 25 to maybe 30 miles per hour even through the evening hours, slowly diminishing tonight, but still at the very least 20 miles per hour. So a rather blustery night, and it's going to be colder. Mid-30s overnight with wind chills in the 20s. Tomorrow, still fairly breezy day. We're talking gusts to 20, maybe 25 miles per hour during the day, diminishing late, but highs tomorrow only in the upper 40s. And Friday, kind of the same deal. Another breezy day with cold sunshine and more of those upper 40s. Now, as you look at the 7-day, we're going to see that in a moment here. We have been talking about this. A little bit of rain, but also some snowflakes for the first time this season showing up over the weekend time frame. Today, though, 65 in Rochester, 70 in Mason City, 67 in Albert Lee. Windy and cool, a little rain this morning, maybe a break or two in the cloud cover this afternoon. West winds by then, 30 to 35 miles per hour. Tonight, 32, partly cloudy, blustery, and cold. I think it will maybe just a little warmer than that, 35, 36, more than likely. And then 49, breezy and cool, partly sunny, northwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. 7-day forecast, again, looking at cold sunshine next couple of days. Rain on Saturday. Sunday, it does look like maybe we start the day with the remnants of that Saturday system. Could be leftover very light snow showers, maybe a trace amount left behind on the grassy surfaces. That is a possibility. And then late Monday into Tuesday, a chance of very light snow, perhaps changing over to rain for a couple of hours. And then that system moves out. Another one brings slightly warmer weather, so 50s, and rain by next Wednesday. In the meantime, stay warm over the next few days, because we're talking some pretty chilly stuff. At least today we can rejoice and be happy about the 60s, but it just won't feel that warm because of those pretty raw winds. In the meantime, have a great day and a great MEA weekend for those traveling. Of course, the big holiday, or kind of like a holiday. I call it a holiday. There's a 4-day weekend coming up for students and for educators and for parents of students. Like me, I'll be taking 4 days off and going to visit family in Illinois. But I hope everybody has a great day and a great weekend.